Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly, while others struggle financially their entire lives? The truth is, building wealth isn't just about how much money you make, it's about the habits and decisions you make every day. Poor financial habits can keep you trapped in a cycle of struggle, while those who achieve financial success think and act differently. In this video, we're breaking down 15 common habits that keep people broke. Habits that rich people avoid at all costs. If you recognize any of these habits in your own life, don't worry. It's never too late to turn things around. Let's dive in. 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. Poor people tend to spend every dollar they earn, often with no savings or investments to fall back on. They rely entirely on their next paycheck, and if an emergency arises, they have no financial cushion. This cycle creates constant stress and financial instability. On the other hand, rich people prioritize saving and investing. They build multiple income streams through side businesses, real estate, investments, and passive income sources. This diversification not only increases their wealth but also provides financial security, ensuring they are never completely dependent on one source of money. They also live below their means and ensure that a portion of every dollar they earn is put to work for them. Even when they earn more, they resist the temptation to inflate their lifestyle, focusing instead on financial growth and security. Number 2. Avoiding investing. One of the biggest reasons poor people stay broke is their fear of investing. They believe that investing is too risky or only for the wealthy, so they keep their money in low-interest savings accounts, or worse, spend it all. Rich people understand that not investing is actually the biggest risk of all. They put their money into assets like stocks, real estate, and businesses, allowing their wealth to grow over time. While there's always some level of risk, smart investors educate themselves and take calculated risks that pay off in the long run. Number 3. Not having a clear financial plan. Many poor people have no financial goals or plans. They simply go with the flow and hope for the best. Without a plan, they continue to struggle financially. Rich people, however, set clear financial goals, create budgets, and make intentional decisions about their money. They have a roadmap for their financial future, ensuring that every dollar they earn serves a purpose. Number 4. Prioritizing instant gratification. Poor people often focus on short-term pleasure rather than long-term financial success. Whether it's buying the latest gadgets, designer clothes, or expensive takeout, they prioritize their wants over their future. This habit keeps them in a cycle of spending, leaving little to nothing for wealth-building activities. Rich people, on the other hand, practice delayed gratification. They understand that small sacrifices today lead to massive financial rewards in the future. Instead of buying unnecessary luxuries, they invest in things that generate wealth, such as education, business opportunities, and appreciating assets. Number 5. Fearing failure. Poor people avoid taking risks because they fear failure, often preferring to stay in their comfort zone. Unfortunately, this mindset prevents them from achieving financial success. Rich people see failure as a learning opportunity. They take calculated risks, learn from their mistakes, and use those lessons to make smarter decisions in the future. Every successful entrepreneur or investor has faced setbacks, but the difference is that they kept pushing forward rather than giving up. Number 6. Blaming external factors. Many poor people believe that their financial struggles are due to factors beyond their control, such as the government, the economy, or their upbringing. While these things can have an impact, rich people take responsibility for their financial situation. They don't waste time complaining or making excuses. Instead, they focus on what they can control, learning new skills, improving their financial literacy, and finding opportunities to increase their income. By shifting their mindset from victimhood to empowerment, they take the necessary steps to change their financial future. Number 7. Not understanding credit and debt. Poor people often misuse credit, maxing out credit cards on things they don't need and making only the minimum payments. This results in high-interest debt that keeps them financially trapped. Rich people, on the other hand, use credit strategically. They leverage it to build wealth, earn rewards, and invest in opportunities that generate more income. Instead of letting debt control them, they make it work in their favor by maintaining good credit scores and using loans for assets rather than liabilities. Number 8. Avoiding financial education. A common mistake among poor people is neglecting to educate themselves about money. They don't read books, take courses, or seek financial advice, often relying on outdated or incorrect information. Rich people, on the other hand, continuously educate themselves about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. They understand that knowledge is power, and they actively seek ways to improve their financial literacy. The more you know about money, the better decisions you'll make. Number 9. Keeping the wrong social circle. The people you surround yourself with have a massive influence on your mindset and financial success. Poor people often spend time with negative or unambitious individuals who reinforce bad habits and discourage financial growth. Rich people intentionally build relationships with those who inspire, challenge, and push them to grow. They seek out mentors, successful friends, and people who encourage financial literacy and smart decision-making. The right social circle can open doors to new opportunities and help you develop a wealth-building mindset. Number 10. Thinking only about earning, not building wealth. Many poor people believe that making more money is the key to financial success, but they fail to understand that wealth comes from what you do with the money you earn. Rich people focus on building assets rather than just increasing their paycheck. They invest in things that generate income over time, such as businesses, rental properties, and stocks. Simply making more money won't make you rich if you spend it all. The key is to turn income into wealth by acquiring assets that grow in value. Number 11. Ignoring health. Many poor people neglect their health, often opting for cheap, unhealthy food and avoiding regular exercise. Over time, this leads to medical problems that are both costly and physically draining. Rich people understand that health is wealth. They invest in their well-being by eating nutritious food, exercising, and taking care of their mental and physical health. A healthy body and mind allow them to stay productive and focused on their financial goals. Number 12. Avoiding hard conversations about money. Money is often seen as a taboo topic among poor people, leading to financial ignorance and poor decision-making. They avoid discussing salaries, investments, and financial plans. Rich people, however, are open about money. They discuss financial strategies, seek advice, and learn from those who are more experienced. Being comfortable talking about money allows them to make better financial decisions and build wealth more effectively. Number 13. Spending more as income increases. When poor people start earning more, they immediately upgrade their lifestyle, buying a new car, moving into a bigger house, or splurging on luxury items. This is known as lifestyle inflation, and it keeps them trapped in financial insecurity. Rich people resist the urge to increase their spending when they earn more. Instead, they save and invest the extra income, allowing their wealth to grow even faster. Number 14. Believing wealth is only for lucky people. Many poor people think that rich people were simply lucky or born into money. This belief creates a mental barrier that prevents them from pursuing wealth. Rich people know that wealth is built through habits, hard work, and smart financial choices. They take action, learn from their mistakes, and consistently seek opportunities to grow their wealth. The reality is that financial success is within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort. Number 15. Not tracking where their money goes. Poor people often spend money without paying attention to where it's actually going. They swipe their cards, make impulse purchases, and pay bills without ever reviewing their bank statements. This leads to wasted money, overdraft fees, and financial stress. Rich people, on the other hand, know exactly how much they earn, spend, and invest. They track their expenses, analyze their spending patterns, and make adjustments to ensure their money is working for them, not disappearing into unnecessary expenses. And there you have it. The habits that keep people broke and the ones rich people avoid at all costs. If you recognized any of these in your own life, don't stress. It's never too late to make a change. The key to financial success isn't luck. It's about the choices you make every day. Start shifting your mindset, take control of your money, and watch how your financial future transforms. If you found this video valuable, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. Share this with someone who needs to hear it, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. And if you're ready to take the next step, check out this video right here. See you in the next one.